The total number of COVID-19 confirmed cases in Manipur has touched 924 as of this morning. According to an official report, 26 new positive cases were reported late last night. With this, the number of active cases now stands at 674, while 250 patients have been recovered and discharged. Nagaland registered 50 new COVID-19 positive cases. These are among 312 samples tested on Monday. 24 patients are from Dimapur Quarantine Center, 14 are from Kohima Quarantine Center, and 12 are from Parent Quarantine Center, according to media reports. Altogether, Nagaland reported 330 cases, with 189 active cases and 141 recovered with 0 deaths. Assam recorded 267 new COVID-19 positive cases till late last night, taking the total tally of cases in the state to 5,853. According to a media report, the state's health minister, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, confirmed the development in a tweet. A spike of 14,933 fresh cases of novel coronavirus in a day took India's case tally to 4,40,215 today. The death toll due to COVID-19 in India crossed the 14,000 mark after 312 fatalities were reported. According to updated data by the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, positive cases in India stood at 4,40,215 today. These total cases include 1,78,014 active cases, while 2,48,190 have been cured, discharged or migrated. A symbolic Rath Yatra was organized in the Lord Jagannath Temple premises today after the Gujarat High Court rejected the state government's plea to carry out public procession. For the first time in 143 years, this world-renowned event was held without the accompaniment of troops, tableau and public participation in view of the coronavirus outbreak. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh has extended greetings and best wishes to the people of Manipur, especially Hindus, on the occasion of Rath Yatra Kang festival. In Hindu customs, it is believed that anyone who pulls the rope linked to the chariots of the deities and helps others also in doing so, or merely touches the rope or chariots, gets the merit of several penances, the Chief Minister in his greeting said. Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan also extended his heartiest greetings and best wishes to the people on the occasion, which is celebrated on the second day of Ingen month of Manipuri lunar calendar, which falls between June and July of every year. Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker Y. Kim Chand and Works Minister T.H. Biswajit Singh also extended greetings to the people on the occasion. A week-long blood donation camp on the theme Helping the Needy, organized by the Ethno-Heritage Council Herikun and Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur ASSAM, kicked off today at the Department of Immunohematology and Blood Transfusion, Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS, Imphal. SEIJANG Development Committee has urged the authority concerned and LAKH constituency MLA to provide adequate fertilizers to farmers in LAKH constituency. In this regard, a press meet was held at SEIJANG Community Hall where members of SEIJANG Progressive Youth Club, SEIJANG Chaukat Thorang Nupi Phurup and residents were present. The Mizoram government yesterday sounded alert after 3 successive earthquakes measuring between 4.6 and 5.3 on the Richter scale hit the state in 5 days, causing extensive damage to buildings and roads across the state. Quoting Regional Meteorological Center in GOVT, an official release issued by the State Meteorological Center of Directorate of Science and Technology said the state could witness heavy rain or very heavy rain for the next 5 days between Monday and Saturday. The release said there is potential of landslides and mudslides as earthquakes are normally accompanied by heavy rain. General Naravane will visit LAKH later today and be there tomorrow to review the operational preparedness, according to media reports. While details are awaited on the 12-hour-long meeting at the Corps commander level between India and China, Army Chief General Manoj Naravane is scheduled to visit Ladakh later today to discuss the ongoing standoff with ground commanders, visit forward locations and interact with troops on the ground. 2 militants and a CRPF personnel were killed in an encounter that broke out early today in Bansu area of South Kashmir's Pulwama district. Arms and ammunition were also recovered from the site. According to a media report, the CRPF head constable was critically injured but later succumbed to the injuries. He received gunshot wounds when terrorists opened fire during the cordon operation. US President Donald Trump has issued a proclamation to suspend issuing of H-1B visas, which is popular among Indian IT professionals, along with other foreign work visas for the rest of the year. According to media reports, Donald Trump said the step was essential to help millions of Americans who have lost their jobs due to the current economic crisis. Issuing the proclamation ahead of the November presidential elections, Donald Trump has ignored the mounting opposition to the order by various business organizations, lawmakers, and human rights bodies.